In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix access denied website in Google Chrome. Access denied messages usually come from a site or network rule that's blocking you, but local issues in Chrome or Windows often trigger them. We'll clear your browser data, disable extensions, flush your DNS, and check a firewall setting so your request can reach the site cleanly. Start in Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu, then go to Settings. In the left panel, choose Privacy and Security. Open Clear Browsing Data. In the pop-up, pick a time range. All time gives you the most thorough reset. Make sure cookies and other site data and cached images and files are selected, then confirm by choosing Delete Data. This will sign you out of most sites and remove stale data that can cause access problems. Next, still in Chrome, go to Extensions to view your installed add-ons. On the Manage Extensions page, toggle every extension off so the switches are grey. Even useful tools like ad blockers or security add-ons can block cookies, headers, or scripts a site needs to verify you. Disabling them temporarily helps isolate whether an extension is the cause. Now switch to Windows, click the Start or Search icon, type CMD to find Command Prompt and open it. In the Command Prompt window, type ipconfig, flush DNS and press Enter. You should see a confirmation that the DNS resolver cache was flushed. This clears stale routing information so Chrome doesn't use outdated records when connecting to the website. Close Command Prompt. On your taskbar, open the Hidden Icons tray and launch Windows Security. Choose Firewall Settings, then select the domain network profile. Turn the firewall switch off temporarily to test. This helps determine if a strict rule is blocking the site. Use caution here as this reduces protection. Only do this briefly in a trusted environment while testing. Return to Chrome, navigate back to the tab that showed access denied and refresh the page. With your cache cleared, extensions disabled, the DNS cache flushed, and the firewall profile relaxed, the site should be able to reassess your request without interference. If the page loads now, you've confirmed the issue came from local data, an extension, DNS, or a firewall rule. If it still doesn't, the block may be coming from the site itself, your network, or a separate policy outside the browser. But these steps eliminate the most common local causes quickly and safely. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get back into the site you need.